Uh, so what's up, guys? Coming to you from my shop, garage thing, my corner. Given the whole COVID-19 virus thing going, I've been staying at home past week and a half or so. So I'm probably going to be doing the Milan review shortly. Maybe a couple days. I might do it. Might do it out here in the driveway, or might just go to the park nearby. I've just been staying busy. I got to finish putting this engine together. It's going to go in a silver SVT that's on the driveway. That's my wife's. I've been doing a lot of organizing. This garage is a complete mess. I even set up the PlayStation 2 for if I get bored and we'll take a break. You know, can't beat the classics. Been trying to troubleshoot. My Taurus is having a misfire, cylinder 2. It's a big pain in the ass. I did all types of, I changed the injector, I changed the coil pack, and I checked the compression. It's good across the board. I'm waiting for a new scan tool to come in this week so I can get into that. My Troopers, eventually I'm going to make a review on that. That's kind of down right now because the pipe decided to snap right off the flange that comes off the manifold. But yeah, I'm going to try to probably do little things here, have some shop videos, and I don't know. If you want to see something or have me explain something that I maybe can help do, let me know in the comments. I'm here. I'm home. Thanks, guys. Stay safe. Do some social distancing and all that. You know, just play it safe. I know people think it's a hoax, and there's people who, like, they don't know anybody who is dealing with it personally, so they don't believe it. The better we listen to this, and the faster we get over and get back to normal. You know. Stay safe, wash your hands, don't touch your face. The silver SVT that's on.
Subscribe.